Here we have an iPad Air that came in for no power. A common problem I see with iPad Airs when they have no power is a faulty TriStar chip. The TriStar chip on this motherboard is protected, and it's one of the difficult ones to replace. But right now we do not know if the problem is the TriStar chip or the charge and flux cable. I do have a TriStar tester here, and by the way, we're going to be carrying this TriStar tester soon. We are in contact with the maker, and we are working out a deal so we can carry their product. The TriStar tester is on, and as soon as we press on the test button, we get a fail. Since I'm getting an immediate fail, I'm going to go ahead and replace the charge and flux. If that does not solve the problem, then we're going to replace the TriStar chip. We have the board held like this. We're going to start by removing this piece of tape. All right, and the connector is out. And we're gonna apply leaded solder. We do have a ripped trace, and we have a weak one here. We did not put any pressure at all on that charging flex. Maybe those pads were weak to begin with, and that's why the tablet is not charging, or maybe that's why it failed. Okay, so right now it looks like we do not need to restore this pad here, because this one is the same as this, the same as this, the same as this, and the same as this one, this one, this one. They all share the same pad. But we do need to restore this one. We have a tiny bit of a trace that we can grind here, and we can restore that pad and solder a new flex cable. Let's see if that will work. We're going to use our grinding pen to grind this tiny piece on top here. And now we're gonna grab a pad strip, and those are pad strips number 2. You can find them on our website labeled as pad strips 2. Or you know what? Why don't we use this one? I think this one may work better. And right now we're gonna apply UV mask so we can hold that pad in place just a tiny bit. And our 10-watt UV lamp, just put it on top. Few seconds and everything should be good. You can leave it like this until it shuts off, I think it goes off by itself after maybe 15 seconds. Okay. All right, great. Now you see that shiny coat over the UV mask. Just apply some hot air to it and it will go dry. Just like that. And we're all good. And now we're gonna solder a new Flux connector. We need to align the dots on the left and right. And I think we're good. Right, and now we can let go. I'm gonna change the tip. For this job, I like to use the bent tip. But now that I'm looking for the bent tip, I'm not gonna find it. All right, and let's go ahead and test. Hopefully that fixes our problem. We're gonna plug the TriStar tester. Before, the tester was giving us an immediate fail. And let's see. Press the button. Yes, it's not an immediate fail. It's testing. Yes, pass. We did it. We did not have to replace the TriStar chip. And if you look here, it's a pass. And if you want to get more details, we have a pass on all the lines. Awesome. We did it. I'm going to give this to Big Boss to reassemble and test, and maybe I'll be back to finish the video. We reassembled the tablet, and the tablet is working. Great. Let's go ahead and test the charging Flux using the TriStar tester. And we should read the pass. We have a pass. All right, that's it. We're gonna end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.